What is the Major Crimes Act? The Major Crimes Act is a federal law stating any felony crime committed on tribal land involving a native person is under the jurisdiction of the federal government. The original 7 felonies include murder, manslaughter, kidnapping, maiming, rape and related offenses, incest, and assault to commit murder. Today, these have been expanded to include property crimes. What is the origin of the Major Crimes Act? The Major Crimes Act is the result of a ruling by the U.S. Supreme Court case Ex parte Crow Dog. In 1881, Crow Dog, a Lakota man, killed Chief Spotted Tail on the Rosebud Sioux Reservation. The tribe handled the punishment of Crow Dog according to traditional tribal law. However, the Dakota Territory also prosecuted him and sentenced him to death. Crow Dog fought the sentence and took his case to the Supreme Court, who ruled in his favor, citing states cannot infringe on the sovereign rights of tribes to govern members of their tribe. The United States Congress responded by passing the Major Crimes Act, thus taking away jurisdiction of the tribal governments in instances of major crimes committed by Native people on tribal land. As a result, jurisdiction was given to the federal government. Today, the Major Crimes Act stipulates both tribal governments and the federal government have the right to prosecute felonies committed by natives on tribal lands. Therefore, in the United States, only a Native American could be tried twice for the same crime, once in tribal court and twice in federal. This decision was recently upheld by the Supreme Court. In addition, a more recent ruling in the case of Oklahoma versus Castro Huerta stated the federal government will now share jurisdiction with states over non-natives who commit crimes on tribal lands. This most recent ruling in the Castro Huerta case is the first time the U.S. Supreme Court has allowed the state courts to share jurisdiction over tribal lands.